From simple cuts to flashy effects, transitions play a key role in enhancing the flow and impact of your video, whether you're making a gaming montage or a simple vlog. In this video, we're gonna show you how you can add transitions to your video easily with a simple browser-based editor called Flixier, as well as show you the 7 most popular types of transitions that you can use in your videos. Let's start by looking at how you can add transitions to your videos with Flixier. First, Google and click on Get Started. The import menu lets you bring videos over for editing from your computer, cloud storage, Twitch, or even your mobile device. If you just want to practice or don't have any footage of your own, you can also use the Stock tab here on the left to find free videos that you can edit and use in your projects without having to worry about copyright issues. Now let me drag a clip over to the timeline to show you how you can add transitions to your videos in Flixier. The first method is to use the Transitions tab on the left side of the screen. This menu is where you'll find every transition available in Flixier. You can use the search bar to look up specific ones or use the tabs at the top to browse them by category. Hovering over a transition will give you a small preview of what the transition will look like once applied to your video. To add the transition to your clip, all you need to do is drag it over one end of your clip in the timeline. You can drag the blue handles here to control the duration of your transition. If you want to transition between two clips, like say in a montage, you can do that easily by dragging the two clips over one another in the timeline so they overlap in the same track. Then you can pick a transition to add between them from this menu on the right side of the screen. When you're happy with your video, you can click the export button in the top right corner to save the video to your computer or publish it straight to your YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram accounts. So, now that you know how transitions work, let's take a look at the 7 most popular transitions in Flixier. Number 1. Fade transitions. Fades are probably the most common and easy to understand type of transition out there. You can see them everywhere from movie trailers to internet content, since they're a very effective way of showing a change in time and location without having to explicitly state it. A slow fade from one scene to another can also give viewers a visual pause and some time to reflect, so use it wisely in moments when you want it to be noticed. Number 2. Butterfly wave. The butterfly wave is an energetic subtype of the classic fade transition that breathes life into any video. This transition isn't just about connecting scenes, it's about infusing your videos with emotion and rhythm. But remember that moderation is key. Don't drown your footage in excessive effects. Instead, let the butterfly wave softly enhance the mood of your shots. Number 3. The glitch transitions. The glitch transition is a surefire way to inject some modern flair into your videos. You can see it everywhere from TV shows to movies, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, video games, and more. Use it to spice up a title sequence or to give your audience a little jolt during a tense, moody, suspenseful scene. Flixier offers both glitch transitions and effects that you can add in the middle of your videos. You can customize the effect however you want and take advantage of the sound library to add a sound cue that goes along with it. Number 4. Zoom transitions. If you want to pull out your viewers from one shot and land them into the next one, then zoom transitions are the way to go. They're great for adding energy to your content, and they're great for shifting the audience's attention from one scene to another, especially when the two scenes share similar themes. Number 5. The ripple transitions. An iconic cinematic effect from the 70s and 80s, the ripple transitions were often used to recall a moment or evoke nostalgia. It's usually used to jump back or forward in time or move from one storyline to another, and it looks a lot like a raindrop falling into a puddle. Use it wisely in your video editing, since it's one of those transitions that could easily kill a good shot. Number 6. Kaleidoscope transitions. When you're working on a crazy project and need to dig deep into your transitions toolkit to find some way to dazzle your audience, Kaleidoscope is the way to go. It's something that sticks in people's minds since they were kids, so they're pretty impactful on a subconscious level. Use it when you're creating fast-moving travel vlogs, fashion videos, intros, trailers, or any other kind of fast-moving short video. It's very useful for readjusting the viewer's focus and keeping them hooked. Number 7. Wipe transitions. Wipe transitions will be instantly recognizable to anyone who's watched Star Wars. Despite being around for quite a while, they continue to be used creatively in modern video editing. It's more noticeable than previous transitions and draws a lot of attention to itself, which makes it more suitable for marketing, educational, and business videos. It's useful for transitioning from one storyline to another, which makes it easy to jump in both place and time. So these are the 7 most popular types of transition. If this video inspired you to put a creative spin on your own edits, you can try them out right now at Flixier.com. And as always, please don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more video editing news and tutorials. Until next time, happy editing!